Hello, designers, pattern makers, and creative people. My name is Lisa Lowell. I am here to get you excited about the upcoming AccuMark 2D classes. First, a little bit about myself. I have over 20 years experience working on and teaching the AccuMark software. I founded my own company, L&S CAD Services, in 2008, and I have been assisting many apparel, furniture, and industrial companies in setting up their AccuMarks, grading assistance, and made-to-measure assistance. I look forward to sharing my experience and knowledge with you all. So today I've prepared a little video, and we're going to take these sloper patterns and make a mock empire dress. So first I'm going to bring my patterns down into the work area. I'm going to go ahead and create some style lines somewhere I think I would like to cut this piece apart. I'm going to use a function called create a 2-point curve. I put some marks on my pattern so that I could quickly put these lines in there. I had measured them previous, which is for demonstration purposes. So here I am creating these internal lines. And after I'm just kind of eyeballing here the shape, to get the shape of what I think I may want for this dress. I'm going to go ahead and put these lines down, just okay everything. And now what I can do is I can go in and trace these pieces off. So I'm going to select the lines that I would like to trace, and we select them in a clockwise order and in order. So I'm going to go ahead and trace off the back parts here, selecting these lines. I'm going to include my dart with it and hit OK, and it creates the piece. Then I'm going to go ahead and type in a name for this new style. And I'm going to call this just dress 1, 2, 3. And this would be my back. And I'm going to continue on in this function to trace off the parts for the front, the top front of the dress. After I've traced off these pieces, I'll trace off the skirt parts. And from there, we'll create some more pieces. So here again, I'm typing in the name for the front of the top. And I'm still in the function. I'm going to go ahead and select the perimeter lines of the bottom skirt part. Again, okay that, give it a name. So it's a great function if you have your slopers in the system, you want to trace off and create new pieces from them. The trace it's a nice function to use because you select the lines you want for your new style. And here's my back skirt. Again, give that a name. I name my pieces as I go along. That way I don't have to name them when I'm going ahead and saving them. So we're going to zoom out a little bit here and bring those skirt pieces. Now what I'm going to do with these two, I'm just going to offset these lines and add 20 inches of length onto these to make my skirt. I'm able to select both pieces at the same time. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some fullness. Let's add maybe 10 inches of fullness in here to the front skirt. And I'm just selecting the lines that's going to get the fullness, the line that I'm slashing to, and the line I'm holding. Basically the same as a slash and spread on the table where you're cutting up your pattern. I'm just doing it here in the system. So after I've created my pieces, I look at my side seam and maybe I want that to be a little bit straighter. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and delete those points that are holding that shape. So I just click on those little points, delete them. I could click on multiple points until I'm happy with the shape of my line. So I did that on the front and the back. And there, now I have my pattern pieces. I could go ahead, plot them out, and make my first sample to see how things are. So that is just a quick little demo on maybe making our mock empire dress. And here is some more information for the upcoming classes. I hope to see you there.